All right, now so let's create a project so we can combine all what we've learned together. So this project is going to be a CRUD list. It's very simple, but it's going to teach us a couple of things: how we can use classes, static methods, namespaces, auto loading, and of course properties methods. And it's going to teach us how can we use all of this together. So it should be really perfect. All right. So let's actually go to our um, let's go to our C partition right here. I'm going to exam and I'm going to htdocs, and I'm simply gonna create folder. I'm gonna name this my CRUD like that. All right, pretty simple. Let's open this up with Visual Studio Code. All right, so here is my project. There's basically nothing right here. So this video is going to be just for um, creating the basic structure of our project. So we're gonna have a couple of folders and of course a couple of files. So the first folder we're going to create, it's the source folder, where we're going to have all of our, we're going to have a couple of folders. Inside those folders we will have our classes, and the next folder, it will be a public folder where we are going to have our files, our public files that should be accessible through our browser. All right, and we will have our views, which like headers, and the header and the footer file that will be extended later. All right, so we will have, of course, the auto load file, which we will use to simply auto load all the classes that we will have in the source folder. So let's see, inside the source folder, let's create our folders right here. We will have a models folder, where we will have our models or our model files, and we will have a controllers folder, and that's self-explanatory. We will have our controllers. We'll only have one, and we will also have our core folder, and inside this we're actually going to have our database class um, that should actually allow us to connect to our database and so on. All right, so I guess that's actually everything for now. All what I want to tell you to wrap this video up, or to finish this video up, that you should check out the resources section for this video, and you should find an HTML file. Actually contains Bootstrap code. So we will use Bootstrap right away. You do not need like to know Bootstrap to actually build this project. It's going to be really, really simple. All right, but you should have a basic understanding of HTML. And of course, I would say like 99%, since you're watching this, you already have the basics of HTML. So check out the resources section, and you will find this mycrud.html file. Check out the resources section of the whole course or simply of this video, and you will find it right away. All right, so this is the template that we're going to be using. All right, and that's actually pretty much it. In the next video, we will go ahead and we will work with our auto load right here. All right, so see you on the next video.